Hello friends, let us see another previous year gate question. First is the given question. A granular soil has gamma sat equal to 19 kilonewton per meter cube. Phi dash equal to 35 degrees. A slope has to be made of this material. Okay. If a factor of safety of 1.3 is needed against slope failure, determine the safe angle of slope. First condition, when the slope is dry or submerged without seepage. In the second, seepage occurs at and parallel to the surface of the slope. Okay. In the third case, what you have to find? If the seepage occurs parallel to the slope with water table at a depth of 1.5 meter, what is the factor of safety available on the slip plane at a ground surface at a depth of 4 meter? So, first let me write down the given data. What is the gamma saturation given? That will be equal to 19 kilonewton per meter cube. Isn't it? Then what about the phi dash value is given? Phi dash is given as 35 degrees. And what about the inclination is given? 28 degrees. What about in the first case? In the first case, we have to find out when it is a dry condition or submerged. Dry or submerged, you will have the same factor of safety. If you recall the equation, what is the equation? Factor of safety that will be equal to tan phi divided by tan I. What is the factor of safety is given? 1.3. That will be equal to tan 35 divided by tan I. So that implies what is the safe angle? That will be is equal to, if you solve this, you will get it around 28 degrees. So this is when your soil is dry or submerged. Is there any option with 28 degrees? Here also 28, here also 28. So either we have to check whether it is 24 second option, 24.6 or 14.6. In the second case, seepage is parallel to the surface. If seepage is parallel to the surface, here also we are having one simple equation. If you recall it, what is it? Factor of safety that will be equal to gamma dash divided by gamma saturation into tan phi divided by tan I. So factor of safety is given as 1.3. What about the gamma dash? Nothing but a gamma saturation 19 minus gamma W 9.8. What is the gamma saturation? 19 into tan phi. Phi is given as 35 degrees. Then what about the tan I? From this find out the I value. So your I value will get it as 14.6 degrees. So with these two, I think in the exam you can choose the two options. 28 degrees, 14.6. So what is the correct option? So without doing the third one also, we can directly pick option A is the correct one. So what about the remaining term? 0.89. How can you find out? So let me draw the diagram here once. So you have to find angle of slope when your ground surface is at a depth of 4 meter. Okay, 4 meter. Where is your water table? Your water table is at a level of 1.5 meter below the surface. So this is where the water table level. That means seepage is occurring. So here how we have to find out the factor of safety? That will be equal to, what is in general? Gamma dash. So in the numerator, you have to take the effective value. In the denominator, you have to take the total value. So how can I find out this value in general? So what is the total effective stress at this layer? So what I will write down here, effective I'll write down as sigma dash. That will be equal to 1.5 into, what is the saturated weight? 19. So 1.5 into 19 plus remaining 2.5 effective. That means 19 minus 9.81 into 2.5. This is what the effective value. So if you solve this, you will get it as around 45.47. But if you are using at the bottom, you have to use the total stress. That means sigma. That will be equal to how much? Total value 1.5 into, so what is the effective value? Here it is also 19 and here it is also 19. So simply you can directly take 19 into total is how much? 4. So 19 into 4 is how much? You are getting it as 76. That's it. Substitute in the equation. So what is the factor of safety? That will be equal to effective value 45.47 into what is the cos square I value? That's what you have to find out, isn't it, in this question? Or what you have to find in the second question? Okay, in the second question, what is the factor of safety available? So if your angle is 28 degrees, okay, fine. So what is the angle is given? 28 into tan phi is how much? 35 degrees divided by what is the total value? 76 into cos side, cos 28 into sin I, sin 28. So if you solve this, you will get a factor of safety as around 0.89. Always remember one thing. If it is a seepage parallel to the slope, in the numerator you have to take the effective stress. In the denominator you have to take the total stress up to the layer where you are finding the factor of safety. If we can remember this, we cannot commit the mistake in the exam. Thank you.